Guys, so before we kick this video off, I want to say about the giveaway truck here. So I didn't get a chance to deliver it last weekend because it was actually snowing, and the guy who won the truck, his wife or girlfriend is actually pregnant. So for me to take the gamble, you guys all know my truck doesn't do very well in the weather. It wasn't worth the gamble for me to drive down there 4 hours in the snow. I wasn't sure how much snow or anything we were going to get. I didn't want to take the gamble, so him and I have talked it over, and we are going to reschedule the delivery for this truck. So don't jump in the comments you didn't deliver the truck yet, because obviously we have plans to deliver it. Well, obviously we do have our plans to deliver the truck, and it will be happening very, very soon. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and kick off the video. Alrighty, boys and girls, we are back for yet another video here. Again, I got to give a huge shout out to the sponsors of this video, which is Rough Country Suspension Lift. We went ahead and we got the upgraded monotube shock absorbers for the 2019 that we have here. So one of the tests that I want to show is I'm kneeling down, so I'm not putting a lot of pressure. You can push down on it, and I mean, it is a solid shock absorber. Great piece. I'm not knocking the pieces or anything, but Rough Country wanted me to shout out their monotube shocks here. Now, when you take this shock here and you want to go ahead and push this one down, I mean, you can see, I mean, I'm shaking, and I'm not exaggerating, guys. I'm going to actually put this down, and hopefully you guys can see it. I will back up here. I can put almost all of my weight on this thing to get this thing to go down. So it is a huge shock upgrade. So if you guys are in the market and searching for a Rough Country lift, I would go ahead and spend the extra money on a monotube shop, because number one, they just look way cooler, and number two, the actual, you know, resistance that it takes to push that down is insane. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and put the monotubes on our Jeep here. Alrighty, well, we got the new shock going in over here. My buddy Chandler stopped over. He loves just doing stuff like this.
No, don't. You called me.
I did call and I said, hey, I might need a hand, because sometimes when you kind of stretch these down, it's a little bit hard to do it by yourself. So it is nice to have a hand to do stuff like this. Plus, I mean, all the YouTubers that are successful have a hand. Did you notice that?
Yeah, they do.
All successful YouTubers have like a camera guy and things like that. Street Speed 717, he just got lucky. I don't know how he falls into the place. He's just right place at the right time, I guess. But this shock is going to look absolutely incredible underneath this thing. So let's get the other one installed, and we will be right back with you. What happened? I don't know how I'm gonna make a 10-minute video out of just the changing shocks. I'll drive it and just like, oh my god, the ride quality difference is amazing. Even if it ain't, just fuck it. Alright, you want to go down a little on the, or you're just going to compress it?
What happened?
You're just compressing it.
Yeah. That's too much, man.
Smidge more what? I gotta go smidge more on my side. Go ahead and shove your bolt in, then I'll...
It's a little higher. Steve's a little mad.
I'm definitely mad. I don't want, it's a daily. I don't want it lifted like stupid high.
I think it looks really good.
It's like an inch taller.
It's definitely a good 1.5 inches taller than what it was.
All right, guys, so I'll tell you the real truth on it. We actually upgraded this, and it's now a 2.5. It's still the 3.5 inch Rough Country lift kit, but it's now their 2.5 kit. So it gives it stronger arms, stronger springs, stronger shocks, and obviously we did the
beautiful
upgraded
shocks.
Yeah, we did obviously the upgraded monotube shocks. So a little bit of a switcheroo, but it is what it is. Let's get the front done. All right, guys, well, I actually had a factory shock still sitting here from the Jeep, You can definitely tell a huge change in quality from factory to the ones that actually came on this kit, and then the upgraded ones. I mean, that shock just looks amazing. Look at the thickness. I mean, killer pieces, definitely. So if you're in the market for a rough country lift, definitely jump up to the monotube shock absorbers. They are freaking sick pieces. It very, very much looks like the Fox Racing shock. So definitely check them out. Rough country, again, huge thank you for the upgrade.
As you can see, he's not working again.
Yeah, and as you can tell, I'm not working again. I'm actually talking to a camera. And as you can tell, I'm doing as little as possible while Taylor does everything else. Are we good for the shock to go in?
Go down a little. There's this spring twisted. Just a little. Keep going. A little more. Alright, now go up.
Let me know when we get the shock in. Diesel, you're ruining my video with your gross drinking.
Keep going.
Alright. I think it's just the shocks, because you figure they were freaking super maxed out.
Yeah.
Like super maxed out. You know I have a hammer, right?
Remember, kids, everything's a hammer. I already got it.
Oh, all right. Fair enough. I wanted to mention too, guys, like this is not the max shock that you can get. They actually have a Vertex that's actually like a 2-chamber full adjustable shock. So you can definitely get bigger shocks than what we did. However, we're not going this crazy with our build, but it does look killer. I'm completely happy with the ones that we got. So definitely, if you want to get bigger and better shocks closer to your Fox, I believe they're actually cheaper than your Fox Racing shops also. Definitely check out Rough Country. Work sucks. You're supposed to say, I know.
Already did this.
We did already do it, but we didn't do it for the camera.
Oh, I didn't know you was
Yeah.
Look at the nails all over. Yeah.
Alright, I'm coming back to help now. Now that you're done on this side, I'll be over. You gotta get pictures for the gram. Guys, you gotta get pictures for the gram.
Do it for the gram.
Yeah, you gotta do it for the gram. Which, everybody that's been following me on Instagram, it's been freaking killer. I think we've gone up like 3,000 followers just on Instagram, which is weird. It's not going up on YouTube as fast, but I've gone up like 3,000 followers on Instagram in the last like 3 weeks, which is killer.
You wish that was your YouTube?
I definitely wish that was YouTube, because then we'd be at 100,000. So if you guys can, please just subscribe. Just get me to 100K, then you guys can unfollow. You don't have to watch a single video after that. I'm okay with it. I want that 100,000 subscriber plaque.
All you gotta do is like and comment.
You don't even have to like and comment. Just subscribe to it. Get me to 100K. All right, I'll bring you guys over here so you can see a little bit better.
This side.
Yeah. I was gonna say you can come to this side and watch Chandler work, and I'm gonna sit here and talk.
Get my pants dirty. You look, I like you.
Now's a good time to quit. We're almost done.
Should we let Steve do the rest since he really didn't do nothing?
I was doing it for the gram.
He was doing it for the gram.
Go down a little in the jack.
Zip that on really quick. Alright, don't break the damn one.
I felt powerful.
How many Duckus was that?
37.
Alright.
Yeah. That was SendIt Steve approved. Just a tad.
What do you gotta go down?
Yep, down. Oh. About 3 tads less. About 3 pumps. Well, real pumps, not quickers. Yep, right there.
Alright.
He's a 2-pump chump, obviously.
Hey man, I got 4 kids.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to. Go up low.
I think so. Oh, right there. jack stands and safety first methods. Sometimes. I could probably pick up on this thing. Now the other one's out.
He's so strong.
See? Sometimes I feel strong.
Yeah.
Look, so strong I break the freaking cinder block. Way taller.
It is.
Way taller. You're an asshole.
Oh, hell yeah.
Way taller.
Oh, gotta get the soy bar up. Oh, there's that.
Can you get it or? Fuck. Alrighty guys, well I gotta give a huge shout out to Chandler for coming over and lending me a hand. Basically doing everything while I filmed and talked. But we got the shocks on. I mean, it definitely brought it up, and words don't express how beautiful this thing is now. And I hope it rides a lot better.
Yeah, it should.
It should ride a lot better, I hope. All right, well, there you guys have it. If you guys like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. I'll have Chandler's information on here. Follow him on Instagram. But the Jeep is looking absolutely killer. It's got its shock upgrades. It's got its 2.5 lift kit upgrade. I mean, this thing is ready for some off-roading, which it will never, ever see. But there you guys have it again. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Say goodbye, dogs. Yep. Super excited. Take care, guys. Have a great night. To just end the video off saying, you know, oh, you got to try them. I just threw them on. I wanted to actually drive this thing and actually give you guys a huge update on driving this thing. So I've been driving it now since Wednesday. It's now Sunday, so about 4 days. This thing absolutely drives 10 times better, way smoother. You don't get a lot of, you know, road chatter anymore or anything like that. Not knocking their old system, but these definitely made a huge difference in the ride quality of the Jeep. I think it's because the Jeep is so light that it kind of, you know, I want to say it bounced a little bit, but now with the V2 monotube shocks on it, it absolutely rides like a dream. So if you're in the market or you did purchase a rough country lift, slide on over and definitely jump up to the monotube V2s. They're definitely worth it. And like I said before in the video, you can definitely tell that the quality is there. They're much like the Fox Racing, and if you want to go even higher up than this, they have the other one that you can go purchase too. Definitely cheaper than the Fox Racing. I would give it a shot, and I think I'm going to on the next build that you see. So there you guys have it again. If you like the content, smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload.